Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about the chemdraw ultra or how this software is used to draw the structures. Okay, so let's get started. For this you can see here a toolbar. This toolbar contains all the tools which are used to develop a structure, and very well structure is being developed with this software in an easy way. Okay, so for now I'm going to take an example of isopentene. For isopentene I'm going to select here a single bond. Okay, you just need to click here and a single bond will automatically appear here. You can just click one more click and a single bond would appear. But if you want to change the position of this single bond, you can just place and hold your cursor here and you can place this single bond anywhere you want. Okay, I'm going to place it here because we are going to draw a isopentene structure. So for double bonds and multiple bonds, you can choose the bonds from here. Here you can choose a double bond, triple bond, or a quadrat bond, or a double bond with a dash bond. Okay, I'm going to choose a simple double bond. So I just need to place my cursor right here. When the blue box appears, you always need to check out for this blue box if you want to join the bonds. If you don't, bonds wouldn't join. For example, here I can draw the isopentene structure has been drawn, but if I place the cursor right here and I click it here, you can see these bonds are not joined. Okay, but if you place it here on the right box, right blue box, you can see these bonds are now joined. Okay, and if you wanna show the CH2 type formula of your compound, you can just go to this text bar. You need to click it and you have to place it here and you can write CH2. Okay, you need to use a caps lock key on CH2. You can see that it would automatically convert it into this format. If it doesn't convert, you can change the setting from here. Okay, this formula setting, it would change your alphabets into this format. Okay, or you can do it like from here. You can place CH, you can place here, and here, just like this. You can draw all the CHs or CH2 format. Okay, and the next thing, very important thing, is if you want to show wedge or dash bond, if you want to replace this bond with a wedge bond or a dash bond or a solid bond, you can just go here, select your bond style via format or format you want to choose. You can just click here and a wedge bond has been, a dash bond is appeared. Okay, or if you want to place the wedge, you can just go here and place it here, or you can draw this bond, further bonds here. Okay, so for further, if you want to choose a wavy bond, you can choose it from here, or if you want to draw a long carbon chain and you don't have to do it manually one by one, you can just go to this cyclic chain, and you can just draw as many carbon numbers as you want. You can draw it. Okay, or you can change the position of it as well. I'm going to take 10 carbons, or if you want to place any side chain, you can just click here anywhere you want side chain, you can place it like this. Okay, and then if you want arrows on your in your reaction, you can choose any kind of arrow from here. These arrows you can choose from reactant converting into products, and these can be used to show in mechanism. You can see that you have a double-headed arrows as well. You also have here single-headed arrows. Okay, half-head arrows. Half-head arrows, are used to represent one electron shift and a double head, and a full head arrow is used to show the shift of whole lone pair. Okay, you can also take the reversible reaction arrows from here. For half, let's suppose I'm going to place it like this. Okay, you can show the shift of your electrons, or these arrows can be used in your mechanism. Okay, or furthermore, if in your mechanism you want to show the loops, you can choose it from here. Loops or structures you want to show, you can choose them from here. And if you want to show your structure into a box or into a shape, you can choose it from here. For example, I'm going to choose this circle and I can place it here. Okay, or anywhere I want on my structure. Okay, so you can place it Or if you wanna do if you wanna remove it or do undo, you just need to, it isn't is like word yet that you have to just click on undo cursor arrow. You need to go to the edit and click on undo drawing, and it would automatically disappear. Okay, further, if you are working with polymers and you need to place the brackets, you can choose it from here. You can choose any kind of bracket. Okay, so in polymers we usually use these brackets. You can just place the arrow where you want your first bracket, and then move it up to the point where you want your second bracket to be appeared. Okay, so brackets has been appeared, so it is very useful in polymer structure or mechanism drawing. First, you can also draw the cyclic structures. For cyclic structures, you can choose from here. For example, you can choose cyclopropane. Okay, you can choose cyclobutane. You can choose cyclohexane. Okay, even you can choose a shear structure, and if you can draw these manually, and you can choose these automatically drawn structures. Okay, and you can also draw the aromatic structures. For example, you can draw the benzene ring here. Okay, and one more thing I'm gonna tell you is about double bond writing. If you wanna place a double bond, you can just choose from here. Or if you have already drawn a structure like this and you want a double bond like here or somewhere in it, you can just choose a single bond and take your arrow to the bond where you want another single bond. It means to make a double bond, you need to check out for this blue box, and you just have to click here, and another bond will appear, and you can show this. Now it is a double bond. Okay, furthermore, one more thing in it is means during mechanism you need electron pairs, lone pairs, radical type, negative, positive charges being appeared on your atoms. Okay, so that you can choose from here. You can choose positive charge, negative charge, lone pair, radical, single electron. Okay, so I'm going to choose this positive charge from here, this, and I can place this positive charge right on this carbon. Okay, you can see that as I place this positive charge on the carbon, and the one hydrogen has been disappeared. I mean, it can automatically maintain the valency of your structure. For example, if you have done some mistake, if I write here CH instead of CH3, I have mistakenly write here the CH2, it would, a red circle would appear around my structure. Okay, means there is some mistake in my structure, I have to correct it. Okay, so this software will automatically detect your faults in the structure, and you can correct that. Okay, and furthermore, if you wanna choose the other things, for example in biology or in other things, you can choose the amino acid structures from here. Number of amino acids are here. You can choose aromatic structures from here, bicyclics, and all other biological tools and laboratory tools, rings, phenyl rings, polyhalides, etc. You can choose all these from here. Okay, and one more thing, if you want to combine the rings together, for example, I have a cyclopentane here, and I want it to combine with benzene ring. You just have to click at this point, and benzene ring, this will fuse rings. Okay, the fused rings will form. So this was a little bit structure tutorial about this. And one more thing I remember to tell you is that if you wanna draw a structure by name, you can just go to the structure and click on the convert name to structure. You just have to write here name. I'm going to write isopentane. Here you can see the isopentane structure has been automatically drawn. Okay, and the name is also being appeared. Or one more thing is, if you wanna convert if you have drawn a structure and you don't know about the name of that structure, you can just go to this marquee to select your structure and go to structure and convert the structure to name. The name will automatically appear at the bottom of your structure. Okay, so if you wanna erase, you can choose this eraser or to erase, or you can choose the marquee tool and select and press the delete key. These will your structure will automatically be deleted. And another thing, if you want to rotate your structure, you can choose this lasso tool, or you can choose this structure perspective you need. For example, I'm going to choose this cyclopropane. So for this you can just rotate it. And for vertical rotation, you just need to choose this marquee tool, and you have to select a structure you want to rotate. For example, I'm going to select this isopentane. You arc arrow like this will appear, and you can rotate it vertically anywhere. Okay, so it can show you rotation. So it was a little bit introduction to for you of chemdraw ultra. If you want more help or need any help or have any question, you can ask me in comment box. So like and subscribe my channel if you like the video or it was helpful for you. So thank you and take care.